1992 Mazda mx3 V6 1.8. Alright, so yeah, that's the IAC, I guess. And there's also a vacuum leak. I'm still trying to find out where it is. I'm not sure. But yeah, I don't know. It might be the EGR right there. I don't know, man. This thing's weird. But I got the IAC disconnected. But it's still doing that. Still revving like that. I think it's because it's a vacuum leak. I don't know where it's at, and I can't get no smoke come out of it. But when I plug in the IAC, it revs up. It still does the same thing, but it gets higher. Well, I guess the IAC stopped working because I just plugged it in and it didn't change. So well, that's brand new. But anyways, down here, it's leaking coolant. I don't know from where. Let's see if I can get a flashlight. Well, it stopped leaking now, but it was just leaking from right there. But it's leaking right there. And then back there, the muffler's got a big hole in it. But yeah, why would it be leaking like right there? If you can see it, if you can't, I'm sorry. The IAC just stopped working. Help me find the vacuum leak. Sounds like it's over here. Listen. All right, thanks.